Welcome back to the relations and functions. In this topic, we are discussing about functions, and next topic is binary operations. Now see here. Suppose capital A is a non-empty set. I am taking capital A is a non-empty set. That means in the A there is at least one element. Non-empty set means there is at least one element. Now here I am taking star also. Here star indicates either plus or minus or multiplication or division or combinations of these operations. Suppose see here A star B is equal to A plus B. Suppose A star B is equal to 1 plus A by B. Now see here. In the A star B, the operation is plus. In the A star B here, the operation is plus as well as division. That means star means either it is plus, minus, multiplication or division or combinations of these operations. Okay. Now, when we can say this star is binary operation on the set capital A, means when star from A cross A to A should be a function. Should be a function. Then we can say star is a binary operation. Okay. Now see here, one example I am taking. Here, in place of star, I am taking the operation is plus addition, and I am defining the set on natural numbers. Natural numbers to natural numbers. Now, I have to check this addition is binary operation on natural numbers or not. So, what I said previously, binary operation means, when we can say binary operation, when star means actually plus, minus, multiplication, division or A2 or combinations of these operations. When the star is from which one? A cross A to A should be a function. All of you know what is the function means. What is the function definition? So when the star is function, then we can say star is binary operation. Now I am taking example. In place of star is addition, and in place of A set I am taking natural number set n cross n to n. Now here, natural numbers means they start by 1, 2, 3 like that. So n cross n means these are the ordered pairs. Now I am taking here the mapping. This is the n cross n. This is the natural numbers. It is the domain. It is the codomain. Now here, n cross n means the ordered pairs will get 1, 1. Next 1, 2. Next 1, 3. 1, 4 like that. You get here. What are the natural numbers here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now see. 1 plus 1 is. Why I am doing operation plus only? Because I am taking the operation is addition. That's why 1 plus 1 is 2. So the mapping is 2. Next, 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, 1 plus 3 is 4. Next, 1 plus 4 is 5. It is the mapping. If you observe here, if the addition is here function or not. I'm taking some operation, that is addition. Now this addition is function or not. Check that. What is the function means actually? In the first set, every element should have only one image. Every element should have only one image. Now see here, for 1, 1, the image is only 2. Next, for 1, 2, the image is only 3. Next, for 1, 3, the image is 4. Only one image. So, every element has only one image or unique image. Okay. Then we can say it is a function. Now it is a function. So, when you can say this n cross n to n is a function, then you can say plus is binary operation or addition is binary operation on natural numbers. That is the binary operation definition. Next, commutative law. Now see here. Here I am taking a binary operation star from A cross A to A. This is a binary operation. When you can say this binary operation as commutative, means when A star B is equal to B star A, for all A comma B belongs to the set capital A, then we can say this binary operation as commutative. What is the condition for that one? A star B is equal to B star A. Here A comma B should be belongs to capital A. Next. Associative law. Associative law. Now see here, same I am taking binary operation star from A cross A to capital A is a binary operation now. When you can say this binary operation is associative, means when A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C. Here, for all A comma B, for all A comma B comma C belongs to capital A, then we can say this binary operation is as associative. Okay. So these are the definitions in this one, and we have other definitions also, inverse and anti-element. These two definitions we will discuss later. Now see this one, binary operation again. So what is the binary operation is? When you can say this star is binary operation, or before that one, what is the A, what is the star here? A is a non-empty set and the star is the operation plus, minus, multiplication, division or combinations of these operations. When the star is from A cross A to A is a function, then we can say that star is binary operation. Now, this is the example I am taking. I show the example. And what about the commutative law? I am taking a binary operation. When you can say this binary operation as commutative, means when A star B is equal to B star A. Here A comma B compulsory belongs to capital A. Next, what about the associative law? When star, this star is a binary operation actually. When this binary operation, the star is A star of B star C is equal to A star B star C, then we can say it is associative law.